Hello friends, today in this video, I am going to tell you how to use Brave browser on FireStick. As you know, it is not available on Amazon App Store. So we have to sideload it with the help of the downloader app. But before moving further, you must install and use any VPN on your FireStick for safe and secure browsing. So let's get started. Make sure complete all steps, otherwise you will not able to use Brave browser on FireStick. All steps you can see on your screen. Friends, here are some easy steps to use Brave browser on FireStick. Please note, all important links we will provide you in our video description box. Step 1. Turn on your FireStick device. Step 2. Click the settings. Step 3. Go for the My Fire TV icon. Step 4. Select the developer options. If you can't see developer option on your FireStick, in that case you have to go to on About section of your FireStick TV. When you click on the About, it will show your device name. We are going to enable developer options. Click on this 8 to 10 times, so it says no need, you're already a developer. So this will enable developer options once your developer options are on. Now follow all steps. Step 5. Select the apps from unknown sources. Step 6. Now turn on the unknown sources. Step 7. Again go to the home page and click on the Find. Step 8. Click on Search. Step 9. Search for the downloader app and select it. Step 10. Click on the downloader app. Step 11. Hit the download button. Step 12. Wait for the app to download. It will take some time, depends on your internet speed. Step 13. Open the downloader. Step 14. The downloader app will ask you the permission. Click on the Allow. Step 16. Click OK for the updates. Step 15. Now click on the URL bar and enter bit.ly/477785 or Brave browser downloader code you will get in our video description and click Go. URL is in our video description box. Step 16. Click on the download APK icon. Step 17. Wait for the download to complete. Step 18. Now click Install. Step 19. Once the installation is completed, click Done. Now you can enjoy your browsing. Please note, while using Brave browser on FireStick, please select Turn on Privacy Reports. Thanks for watching this video.